Good morning to my balcony gardeners, backyard gardeners, or land gardeners, My green bean, this is a bush plant. My green bean have little holes and, excuse my nails, obviously. Gardener, my green bean plant has bites. It's like bites taken out of them, or holes, or I don't know what to call them. Is something eating my plant, or is it some sort of nutrients thing? I'm going to figure it out. Look at that hole. Something's eating my plant. Getting a nice good dinner off of mine. No thank you. But yeah, I mean, look at that. What's going on? Look at that one down here. Is something eating? I have to figure that out.